The 44th participant in the Silva challenge is Leo Kempf. This is actually my second start at this video. I started to record, and this tub of stuff is actually disgusting me. That's how bad some of these castings are. So I pretty much threw 6 or 7 castings straight into the trash because they were junky, no brand, made in China, horrible castings, plastic bodies, virtually no metal on them at all, and there was there was no way I was going to send them to anyone, because all they would do is make a junk pile and a diorama. And even then there's enough other cars to do that with if you really want to. So I realized after throwing those 6 or 7 castings into the trash, I better start the video again and let's try and pick out some decent, halfway decent stuff, or at least if it's junk, it's not terrible junk, and let's go from there. Hopefully, Leo, you'll have fun with this. This is an old Hot Wheels Blazer, I think. Blazer 4x4. This thing has more dirt on it than anything. The wheels have seized up. The cool thing is you can see the shocks under there built into it. The glass is a little messed up. Metal body, metal base. I mean, if it was clean, it wouldn't be a bad casting. I believe it's kid painted as well. Looking at the paint, it looks like it might have been yellow underneath, but that's heading your way. And we're off and running. This is cute. I don't know who makes this. It's all plastic. It's tiny. You gotta love the little wheels on it and stuff. But this is more just for laughs. So hopefully you get a kick out of that. Oh, this looks reasonable. It's Hot Wheels, old Hot Wheels, 1979, with a dump on the back. That's plastic. The rest of it is all metal. That's actually not. Naturally, it won't fit all the way in there. That's actually not a bad casting. This is kind of goofy. Tonka Toys utility trailer from Maisto. Horrible wheels. Look how thin those are. That's hilarious. And it's heading your way. And this will fit better probably. Yeah. See, it's like it was made for it. Maybe not. Okay, this is much better. Racing Champions. 34 Ford. Love the engine. Plastic base, metal body. Again, Racing Champions. That's not bad at all. Trying to find something to fit in that spot in case you haven't figured that out. Oh, this is probably it. Eesh. Hot Wheels Scion XB. That's all plastic. No metal base, but plastic body, plastic interior. Funky wheels that may actually glow in the dark for all I know. But it fits the spot perfectly. Here we go. Here's something more like it. That's an old Hot Wheels. Somebody put a number on it, 29. But yeah, that's kind of cool. It feels like it should turn, but it doesn't. Let's see how we can work that. What is this? A hollowback Hot Wheels. Plastic body, the engine's kind of cool, metal base. That's not too bad, is it? What the heck is that? That's a made in China. I don't know if it's supposed to be a Range Rover or what. I almost thought the engine was missing. Oh no, it's there. It's just very poorly done. Oh look, firewall? Who needs a firewall? That must be an extra cost option. It doesn't come from the factory with that. Here we go, a Buzz Lightyear. Maybe you can make something fun out of that. Yeah. Now maybe we're getting somewhere here. I don't know, Leo. I hope this isn't too frustrating of a mix for you. There's a police... Oh, a bashed-in police car. Hot Wheels Mustang GT concept, metal body, metal base, no glass, obviously, kind of smushed. Perfect for the wasteland. Sure. Sure. Oh, what else should I do here? Ah, there we go. This is so fine, isn't it? Yeah, Hot Wheels, so fine. This, this you could almost take and make like a gangster 1930s, 1940s gangster wastelands kind of build that I think would be fun. There's a weird flaw on the roof that they just painted over. Doesn't seem to be rust or anything. I think it's just a casting error. But that's always been a cool looking casting. Oh, everything's falling over here on me. Hang on. What else? Yeesh. There's a big engine. It's gotta be. It's a split image from 2003, but oh man, but it has a tuned look to it. Metal base, feels like a plastic body. Obviously, the split image engine. Yeah, have at that. We'll see what you can come up with. That could be interesting. That's an older casting. I can't say I recall seeing that before. That's cool. Metro Rail Hot Wheels. Yeah, okay, this is the way it goes. Obviously, the engine's that way. It's heading that way. But, just for giggles, let's flip it over. Still imagine it going that way. Doesn't it look like a Diora? Maybe you can hear in my voice I'm a little off today. Maybe that's affecting my interpretation of what I'm seeing as well. Oh, there's a kid painted Matchbox Volvo truck of some kind. I like that they painted the pinstripes on the sides. Oh wow, I couldn't have designed that to fit in there any better. So we've got a hole right here. Throw a truck. Ford Explorer Sport Track Matchbox. Man, they put god-awful wheels on that. I mean, could you have done that any less expensively? I'm at a loss. But it fits. It fits. I think that's it casting-wise, Leo. So let me move this stuff out of the way. Let's move these over. Oops. Let's see what we have here. Now is where I'll just throw a whole bunch of 3D printed stuff in here. Let's throw some guns. Some more guns. I've printed more stuff and I printed too much of some stuff and not enough of other stuff that I should have printed, obviously. I'm so not in the resin printing scheme that I have very few skulls left. But let me throw some in there. Because I can't really use the printer I like to print skulls because it just doesn't have the detail. Got some tanks in there. Yeah, more tanks. These wheels, you can tell I've printed a boatload of these because I just love these wheels. I'm sure they would look fantastic if they were resin printed, but I'm not heading down that road. What else should I throw in there? I apologize if you hear the phone in the background making noises. I didn't mute it before starting this. Oh, these are front, like guns can go through here, or you can use them on the fronts of cars. It's like a ram kind of thing. These are more traditional kind of rams. Some smaller wheels, if you should want to do those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At least I'm trying to make the numbers work on these. So you don't get 3 of something and then be like, what am I supposed to do with this? There's just some body panels, armor panels, that kind of thing, just assorted stuff. I think I'm stopping there. I threw a bunch of guns, rockets, wheels, tanks, skulls, armor panels. Yeah, I think that's it. So, oh, one moment, please. Sorry about that, but we're back to it. And so that's all the 3D parts I'm putting in there. So, Leo, here's the box I'm sending your way. Have fun with it. And I hope everybody enjoyed watching this go together. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. And I'll catch you in the next one.